Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Little Curves. So today I am going to show you my 10 evergreen products which I use like always, and whenever I'm getting late or whenever I'm confused with my makeup, these 10 products are always the safest thing I will use onto myself. So let's get started. So now comes the first product. The first product is Maybelline foundation. This is the Satin Dream which I use during winter time. So this product I use always, and it gives the best finish onto my skin. I keep on experimenting with others also, but these are drugstore products. This is my first product which is affordable and good for my skin. Now comes the second product. Second is this Nykaa eyebrow pencil, and this is in the shade 01. This is really the safest because it has a pencil as well as the brush, and this I have been using since longest period of time. Now comes the third product is concealer. The concealer which I use on regular basis is this one, is from Miniso. This is in the shade 02 nude, but nowadays they are just into one shade, that is 01. So both the shades are really good for my skin, and I use them. They are very creamy in texture. They are super duper affordable as well as easy to blend. So this is good to go thing in my makeup, drugstore makeup when it comes to. Now comes the fourth thing. This doesn't come into drugstore category, but nowadays it's available on Nykaa, and it's available in India also apart from Sephora. This is Too Faced mascara which I have been using since longest period of time, and it gives a good nice effect onto your eyelashes. I'm not a person who wears false eyelashes because I'm not comfortable, or I don't even know how to wear it. Maybe I'll learn soon, but this is one thing which is really good for my eyelashes. So this I have been using since longest period of time now. Now comes the color corrector. When it comes to like high-end makeup, when I have to go somewhere for a party or something, or marriages or any social function, so I use color corrector, but I use like once or twice in a month, not more than that. And for that I go for this LA Girl Pro Concealer, color, the red one, not any other color, only for the dark circles I use this color corrector. And this is really very good. It's blendable, it's very much pigmented, so you have to just use one drop of it, not more than that. You have to keep it in mind because I have made my face once red, so I always give this tip that it's super duper pigmented. So you have to play safe with this one. Then comes the eyeliner. When it comes to eyeliner, recently I started using Sugar products, and I must say their matte eyeliner is really very good, and it's long lasting also. So this matte eyeliner is really very good, and it's smudge proof. So these things add on to my trust towards that brand or towards that product, and it becomes like a favorite product, and this is like always there with me, always. Now comes another product. This product, no guess, it's Dina of London lipsticks. I have been using it since longest period of time, and I love Dina of London lipstick. They're, first of all, they stay for a longer period of time. They are waterproof. They are very good in pigmentation and everything. They're creamy onto your lips. They don't make your lips super dry. So they're really very good, and I have this brand which I can play with safely always, and I always carry these lipstick, through my Insta story also. Now when it comes to blush, so I have been using even NARS blushes, but still one blush which I always go with, and it's my favorite blush, is this from Sivana. Okay, so this is in the shade 04. I have this shade 02 in the coral shade also, and these two shades I am always safe with using, and I don't have to worry like whenever if I'm getting late, or else whenever I want to play safe with my makeup don't want to experiment anything, so this is one thing which I have. Now comes the highlighter. I am a big fan of highlighters. I really love highlighters. I have highlighters from Urban Decay to Makeup Revolution and all, but whenever I have to play safe again, I use this Oddbo highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter and I have been using it since the longest period of time. This is in the shade 02. This is the best highlighter. It stays for a longer period of time and it gives that perfect glow to your skin, and always I'm wearing this highlighter. I hardly use the Urban Decay one also, but this highlighter is my favorite, one of my favorite thing which I have. Now comes the last thing, is this eyeshadow palette. This is from Makeup Revolution Ultra eyeshadow palette, and this one is the mermaid one, I think so. This is the mermaid one, and I will link it down in the description box. This eyeshadow has all the beautiful, like every party colors, not only nude colors, but they have other colors also which are really good, and you know, you can just play with it, do your eyeshadow and you're sorted. Makeup Revolution, such kind of palettes, they do come into like the range of 1400 to 1500, but they're really very good. They're really very good to invest in, because in one palette you get almost 32 to 36 colors. That's really very nice, and I have been using it since longest period of time. Whenever I don't want to confuse myself, or else even if I'm traveling, I use such kind of kits with me, because in one kit you get so many colors to play with. And that's it. This was all about my evergreen products which I have in my like makeup session, and I hope you have enjoyed this video too. So do subscribe to our channel, hit the button like, and stay connected. You please follow me on Instagram, and that's an order. And also we are soon going to reach 25k. I'm very excited for the giveaway, so please subscribe, share and like this video. Bye.